How to keep away from blackheads. While trying to cast off blackheads, there are certain belongings you must take care to not do, as this could worsen the scenario. 1. Selecting or looking to pop blackheads is a whole no-no, because it'll do nothing to uproot the blackhead from deep inside. Choosing may also result in the unfold of bacteria or even scar your skin. 2. At any cost, never try to dispose of blackheads. The usage of tweezers or pointed gear, even the blackhead removal gear, ought to be left to be utilized by professionals. You may come to be injuring yourself even as seeking to poke at a blackhead. 3. Exfoliation is usually recommended to get rid of blackheads, but using harsh or abrasive elements at the skin can motive harm rather than clearing out the blackheads. Additionally, it could dry out your skin and irritate it similarly. The great manner is to opt for gentle scrubs. If possible, pass for herbal exfoliators like oatmeal, sugar, salt, coffee and so forth. 4. Retaining your skin smooth is going an extended way and no longer most effective, preventing the formation of blackheads, however also zits and zits. Wash your face every day with a gentle face wash, at the start and at the quit of the day. Aside from that, keeping it loose from grease is crucial, so that oil doesn't gather in the pores. This can be accomplished through the use of a facial scrub once or twice a week, relying on your pores and skin kind. 5. Replenish your pores and skins. Moisture after every wash by means of applying a suitable moisturizer. Use non-comedogenic moisturizers so as to not block the pores. 6. Using skin creams or gels with salicylic acid can help prevent blackheads too. Salicylic acid is a type of chemical. This is frequently used in pimples putting off lotions. It additionally finds use in medicine to help eliminate the outer layer of the skin, and is frequently used to treat warts, psoriasis, dandruff, pimples, ringworm, and ichthyosis. The usage of salicylic primarily based creams can keep your skin clean and filth unfastened by exfoliating the top layer. For this reason, averting blackheads. If you want to read the article, I have put a link in the description. Do not forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell to receive every new video, and also do not forget to share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching.